All right, so we're here, Zion Off-Road, at our booth at Overland Expo West here in Flagstaff, showing off our trailers. So our trailers are fully modular. This here is the base trailer for $12,900. You can get this, drive it off the lot, have an extremely capable trailer, but it's fully modular, meaning you can add and upgrade accessories over time. From things, even your suspension, your fenders, tires, a whole rack system up front. If we take a look at this trailer here, you can see it's fully loaded out. And we put on a whole bunch of stuff, right? All modular accessories. So things like our crossbars, just bolted on to our track system. We have a custom aluminum extrusion here, so the bolts sit facing outwards. So I could loosen up those bolts, move the crossbars forward, back. I can get 2 to start on my trailer and upgrade to 4 later if I wanted to. So it's, you know, customize your trailer and deck it out however you want. Another nice thing is we're always coming out with new accessories. So for example, little brackets like this for the side table, where maybe that didn't exist a year ago, it now exists, and you can just order it on your trailer that you did have by a year ago, and you can add it. It's just a couple bolts for pretty much every accessory that we have. So we're coming out with new accessories all the time. You can just add it to your trailer whenever you want. So your trailer is never obsolete, basically.
Thank you. Where can we find you at?
ZionOffRoad.com, or you can email us at sales@ZionOffRoad.com. Happy to answer any questions you have. Feel free to send them over.